friends, welcome to our channel We the Demigods. This is part 6 of learning Java by Suhani's tutorials. In this video, we will be learning and understanding the scope of Java. We will also be looking into loops, especially the while loop and the control flow of the while loop. We will also try and run a program, so let's get started. Scope refers to the region of the program where we want a piece of code is accessible or in which it can be used. Every time we use the curly braces in Java, we are creating a block in the program. This is why the if block and the else block are separate. They are in different sets of curly brackets. Why does this matter? Let's say I create an int variable named favoriteName with the value 5 in the if block. This variable's scope is within the block in which it was created. That's where the variable is accessible and can be used. I can reference it or change its value anywhere inside the if block. However, since it is not created in the curly braces of the else block, it cannot be used in the else block because the else block is outside the variable's scope. Now let's say we created a string variable called favoriteFood outside the if-else block in the main function and gave it the value paneer. Since favoriteFood is created outside the if-else block in the parent set of the parenthesis, this variable can be accessed and assigned a new value within both the if and else block. The favoriteFood scope, or where favoriteFood can be accessed, is anywhere within the curly braces it was created in. Let's take a look at some other types of control flow statements. If statements aren't the only way we can add decision making to our programs, we also have loops. A loop is similar to an if statement except that it allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a Boolean condition instead of just on time. There are several different types of loops in Java, but the one we'll be focusing on in this video will be the while loop. A while loop looks like this. We start at the start and then follow the arrow to check a condition. If the condition evaluates to true, we execute a series of statements and then check the condition again. If that condition is false, we exit the loop and continue to the rest of the code. On your smartphone, you've probably listened to music, and if you find a song you like, you put it on repeat. When a song is on repeat, it plays over and over again until you take it off repeat. We can represent this type of functionality in a Java program. Filling in the condition of the while loop, we say our condition is current song on repeat? For the statement to execute, if the condition is true, we print playing same song on repeat and give an option for the user to take the song off of repeat. If the condition is false, we can print playing next song. Now, if the current song on repeat is never true, then playing the same song again will never be printed. While loops in Java. Let's create a while loop in Java. In the previous videos and slides, we diagrammed a while loop to represent a song playing on repeat. With this diagram, while the current song is on repeat, we play the song again. If the current song is not on repeat, then we check the while loop condition. We exit the loop and play the next song. If the user never takes the song off repeat, then the current song will play forever. We only exit the loop if the user takes the song off of repeat. Let's jump to the code. The first thing we do is create a scanner to get us set up for the user input. We also have a Boolean variable that represents if the current song is on repeat, which is equal to true. Now for the while loop, we wanted to say that while our song is on repeat, meaning is on repeat is true, we want to run a series of statements. To do this, we'll be using the while loop or the while operator, and in parentheses, we will write our variable is on repeat. Now, after these curly brackets, we will be writing what our block wants to run. Right now, I want the system to print out using system.out.println, saying that the current song is playing, or playing
current song. After this, I want the system to ask the user if they would like to change the song. So I'll write system.out.println, and in parentheses and quotation marks I'll write, do you want to change the song? And then at the very end I'll put a semicolon. Now, I want the user to input if they want to change the song or if they do not want to change the song. For that, I will have to use user input. So I'll type in string user input, which is equal to input.next, and at the very end parenthesis and a semicolon. Now, if the input that the user provides is yes, then I want to change the boolean of is on repeat to false. That means that the user wants to change the song. So for that, I will have to use the command if user input equals yes, then I will put up a curly bracket to start what I want the system to do. Is on repeat equals false. So now our boolean that was earlier true over here, it is now false. If the user inputs yes, that means that they do want to change the song, and that will make is on repeat false. And if that happens, I want the system to print out that it is playing the next song. So I will write playing next song by using the system.out.println. So system.out.println, and in quotations, playing next song. At the very end, I'll put a semicolon. Now we are ready to run this program. So let's go ahead and run it. As you can see that it is saying playing current song, and then it's asking us, do you want to change the song? Now if I answer with yes, then it says playing next song. Let's run it again, and my spelling of next is kind of wrong, but you can figure that out yourself by changing nest over here to next. So then let's run it again, and it's asking us, do you want to change the song? And if I enter in no, then it says playing current song, and it is not changing the song. Let's try this again by pressing run. Now I will enter yes again, and you can again see that it's playing the next song. So this is how we can use the while loop.
So in this video, we have understood the meaning of scope. We have also seen the implication of the if-else statement. We have also seen what loops are and the types of loops in Java. We have also seen the functionings of the while loop. Stay tuned for more videos on Java. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.